In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Airbnbs for a 10-month stay seamlessly, whether you're planning a long vacation, relocating temporarily, or just seeking an extended retreat. Finding the perfect Airbnb can make all the difference. Let's dive in and make this process easy and straightforward. First, let's get started by either launching the Airbnb app on your mobile device or visiting their website on your computer. You'll see the familiar homepage, and this is where your search begins. It's a user-friendly platform whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to Airbnb. With everything ready at your fingertips, you're one step closer to finding your home away from home. Now, you might already have a dream destination in mind, or perhaps you're open to suggestions. Whatever the case, enter your preferred location in the destination box. Then it's time to select your dates. Because you're planning an extended stay, you'll need to set both your check-in and check-out dates to span a full 10 months. As you do this, you might notice a notification about availability, so be sure to choose dates that suit your schedule while also being flexible with what's available. With your destination and dates locked in, it's time to browse through the properties that cater to extended bookings. Not all Airbnbs can accommodate long stays, so make sure you're choosing from listings that specifically mention long-term availability. This can save you a lot of time and effort and narrow down your options to homes that are ready to welcome you for an extended period. Remember, staying somewhere for 10 months means it should feel like home, so take your time to explore the details of each property. As you find potential contenders, it's crucial to review the host's long-term stay policies. These policies might include specific rules or guidelines around extended visits, like utility costs, cleaning schedules, or changes in rates. Understanding these terms will help prevent unpleasant surprises and ensure a smooth experience throughout your stay. If a particular policy isn't clear, don't hesitate to reach out to the host for clarification before you commit. Once you have found the listing that ticks all the boxes, it's time to make your move. Select the property that meets your needs best and click the Reserve button. This action indicates to the host that you're interested in their home for the long haul. Finally, it's time to bring everything together by completing the payment. Airbnb will guide you through the payment process step by step, ensuring that your booking is confirmed securely. At this pivotal stage, double-check all details to avoid errors. Once you're done, you'll soon receive a confirmation of your booking, and just like that, your extended stay is secured. And there you have it. With these steps, booking an Airbnb for 10 months is a breeze. Whether your next chapter is about work, relaxation, or adventure, you can now embark on it confidently, knowing your comfortable lodging is sorted for the months ahead. Enjoy your stay.